DNA is the blueprint of life, but what exactly is its structure, and how does it store information?
DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the molecule that carries genetic instructions for growth, development, and functioning of living organisms.
DNA has a unique structure called a double helix, which looks like a twisted ladder. DNA is made up of smaller units called nucleotides, each consisting of a sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base.
The nitrogen bases pair specifically. Adenine pairs with thymine, and cytosine pairs with guanine.
The sides of the DNA ladder are formed by a sugar-phosphate backbone, which provides stability to the molecule. The sequence of nitrogen bases in DNA stores genetic information, which determines traits in living organisms.
DNA is essential for inheritance, protein synthesis, and the continuity of life across generations. To summarize, DNA has a double helix structure, follows base pairing rules, and stores genetic information. If you want to master biology concepts easily, subscribe to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. In the next video, we'll explore RNA structure and how it differs from DNA.